Pipedrive Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Pipedrive are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Pipedrive's email marketing features designed to help businesses streamline communication, automate follow-ups, and improve sales conversions. Pipedrive is primarily a CRM, but its built-in email tools make it a powerful choice for sales teams looking to integrate email marketing with their pipeline management. One of its standout features is email tracking, which allows users to see when an email is opened or clicked. This is essential for following up at the right time and improving engagement. Pipedrive also includes email templates, making it easy to send personalized messages at scale without manually crafting each email. These templates can be customized with dynamic fields, ensuring each message feels tailored to the recipient. Another key feature is email automation, which enables users to set up workflows for sending follow-ups, reminders, or drip campaigns based on customer interactions. This is particularly useful for nurturing leads and moving prospects through the sales funnel. Additionally, Pipedrive offers email scheduling, allowing users to time their emails for optimal engagement. Pipedrive integrates with major email providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Exchange, ensuring seamless synchronization between inboxes and CRM data. The built-in shared inbox feature also helps teams collaborate by keeping track of all customer interactions in one place. For analytics, Pipedrive provides email performance reports, showing open rates, click rates, and response times. These insights help businesses refine their email strategies and focus on what works. While Pipedrive's email marketing capabilities are not as advanced as dedicated email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, its tight integration with sales pipelines, deal tracking, and automation makes it a great solution for sales-driven businesses. If you're looking for a CRM with strong email marketing capabilities designed to improve lead management and conversions, Pipedrive is a solid choice. Check out the links in the description for more details.